Hi, Buster. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for filling out our form on our website requesting some more information. So I wanted to make this quick video for you, giving you tips on using Google's language on your website so that you can be bringing in all the customers you can for free. So I'm on your homepage here. I'm going to be going over 3 quick points, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. Your site does look pretty good. You've got your phone number listed out. It's click to call. That's critical. And you've got the contact form with your reviews on the homepage as well. It is a good looking site. The only thing to keep in mind is just making sure that you're checking off Google's boxes. Google likes their content. So you want at least 1,500 words on the homepage. And for your keywords, you want to keep a good ratio. So for every 10 words of content, you want 1 keyword. Make sure that you have enough information to support that keyword, and Google is going to start ranking you for that in the search results. Now, for your service pages, you need at least 500 words on each service page. Everything else is kind of at your will. So if we go over here, just to show you an example of how these keywords play a role, I have carpet cleaning Lebanon pulled up, and we can actually see that in the Google Map Pack here, you're in the top. You are doing amazing for your Google My Business profile. You have more reviews than your competitors. Your company information is properly listed. And the way to keep up there is just making sure that you have your contact information for your company in as many citations as possible. Citations are just online directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, and the goal is to just make sure you always have at least 100 more than your competition, and you'll stay up there. Keep those reviews coming in as well, because it's awesome that you've got the double digits compared to these other guys. Let's get it to the triples. Now, continuing down, these are the organic search results. As you can see, we've got a lot of bigger company sites here. Those ones are going to be more difficult to beat because their pages that are ranking are back-end pages. They just have so much content on their websites as a whole because they're national sites. So the way to increase that is you're going to be needing more backlinks and more content. And we'll go over what the backlinks are here in a moment. You don't really have any competitors that I felt a need to show you. I felt that your site, compared to all your competition, is a lot more optimized and better. There's just no competition. But just to show you on the back end, this tool is called Ahrefs. I can see here your homepage has a ranking of 8, but your entire website has a domain ranking of 0. These rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And right now, this is your current ranking. Now, the ranking is made in part by backlinks. Google loves to get competitive with rankings. So a backlink is just another site online linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. And Google loves to see you be connected to sites that are relevant to your industry, and they have to be high ranking. So you want to make sure they have a strong domain ranking. Right now, you have 22 backlinks coming from only 7 websites, so we want to up those numbers. And you have 54 total keywords that Google is finding for you and putting you in the search results for. All of this is giving you about 36 traffic a month. Now, if we go over and look at your keywords, there's a lot of work we can do. You can see a lot of these keywords are duplicated or triplicated in some cases, but there's also some where you have less than first position ranking, which means you're still on the first page for some of these. Some of them you are not, but that's where you can be increasing. We can see there's search results or search requests. We've got a search volume happening here. Your highest one is 300, but there are still a few up here that are going to lead you to a couple hundred more searches a month, and that's going to be more customers in your pocket. All right, so going right back over, we also have this new setting in the Ahrefs that shows the overview with 2.0. This is showing less keywords, so it's never 100%. And the big reason is because this is third party, not Google directly. There are your Google tools that you can use as well. So quick recap on just the things you want to keep in mind on. Look for your content, at least 1,500 words on homepage, 500 on each back service page. Make sure for every keyword you have at least 10 words of content to add to it. And then for your Google My Business, just keep those reviews coming in and keep listing your company contact information in more online directories. And lastly, you want to make sure you're getting more backlinks connected to high-ranking websites that are relevant to your industry and that will result in you guys seeing an uptick based on the current search volume, probably another 50 to 75 customers once you're optimized for all your keywords. So if you follow these tips today, you're already number one, but you're just going to break in a few more clients, like I said. I know what you're probably wondering what to do with the information. Take it, use it at your own speed. That's totally okay. If there's any assistance we can provide on this, you're more than welcome to reach back out, and we'll be happy to help you along the way. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you so much for reaching out. Hope you take care.